Tanveer and I'm working on the flexible heat pipe technology, energy harvesting for the IoT devices. So the motivation behind this is the IoT devices are the devices that are used to collect the real-time data for the different things in the smart buildings. So they are used to collect the data for the lighting, for the HVAC and heating ventilation, for the security systems, for the energy management. So everywhere they are, IoT devices are being used. The issue with the IoT devices is they are being powered by the batteries, and it's very difficult to replace the batteries or to relocate the existing them with the existing power. We have seen that in the smart commercial buildings, 65% of the energy that is being supplied to the smart commercial buildings is wasted as a heat energy. So there is a huge potential that is available in the smart commercial buildings in terms of wasted heat. So we are developing a flexible heat pipes that can capture that wasted heat energy from smart commercial buildings and integrate the heat pipes with the thermoelectric energy harvesters to power the wireless IoT devices. The heat pipes that are currently available are made of the copper, stainless steel, like rigid and metallic, and sometimes if they are polymer based, they have issues with the non-gas impermeable, and heat pipes needs the material that should be more impermeable to the gases. So by this I am developing a novel graphene based heat pipe casing material by using hot pressing. This system will will use the wasted heat energy from the buildings, from the commercial buildings that is being dumped into the environment. So it's a sustainable solution to use that waste heat and power the IoT devices. By this way, the requirement of batteries will be replaced, and a flexible technology will be used to power that wireless IoT devices by using thermoelectric power generation.